Welcome to Ninjaversity, powered by Web.Ninja, where we give you business tips to help you grow your business. Today's tutorial is brought to us. The question was asked by Linda Salazar. She's the owner of yourpiecesinyourhands.com. She does hand analysis, which is actually a scientific type of analysis because the shapes and patterns on your hands are actually related to your own personality. And by doing a scientific analysis, she can let you know things about your life purpose, things that you might need to learn in this life, and these insights really help you create a happy, peaceful life. She's really awesome at what she does. You should check her out, her stuff. Linda's question today is about how to upload a YouTube video without the recommended video showing up at the end of it. She wants to use a video for her business on her website, but rather than people being sent away from her website afterwards, she wants them to stay on her website and continue engaging with her. If you own a business, that's really what you want. If you don't have other videos on YouTube that would show up as the recommended videos, then, and even if you do, depending on what you want to accomplish, it looks much cleaner and nicer. I'll show you some of these recommended videos. Now, at the end of a video, usually you'll have these other ones pop up. Now, that can look pretty unprofessional if you want to keep things nice and professional as well. You don't want to send people away. So how do you get rid of these recommended videos? Well, first step is to go to the video you would like to embed, and you click on this share. Now, really quick, I'll just share with you that these instructions might change a little bit, but the gist is always going to be the same. YouTube is always shaking things up, so even if the instructions aren't exactly the same later on down the road, again, it's the same gist. So click this share button, and here you'll see an option to embed. This is if you want to take a code that you could actually embed on any website, basically anywhere. And here you can see the actual embed code. This is going to pop away just because of the software I'm using to create this video. So I'll get back to that in a second. But here you'll see embed options. Now the first one is actually you can start the video at any point of the video. So here I started at 1 minute and 50 seconds. You could actually start that video at 1 minute and 50 seconds, which is pretty slick. Here you can uncheck the option to show the suggested videos. Now this was Linda's very specific question of how to get rid of those recommended videos. You just uncheck that here. You can also get rid of the player controls, which would be the play, fast forward, rewind, next, etc. If you would like to just keep the experience very clean and straightforward, not give the visitor a lot of options other than to just watch the video, you can uncheck that. You can uncheck showing the title and player actions. You saw that just got rid of the title, how to work with a graphic artist. It was on top of the video, but when you get rid of that, it looks even cleaner. So quite a few little options here that make the video experience cleaner, more professional looking, which is really nice if you have a business website where you'd like to create a cleaner experience for people. There's one more option for privacy. Let's see if I can get the whole thing to show for you. When you turn on privacy enhanced mode, YouTube won't store information about visitors on your website unless they play the video. So that adds just a little bit of privacy for your users. They're not going to actually collect anything that is super private, but you know, privacy these days is pretty important. Now, since again, it's not popping up here, I opened up just a little, another one is once you've checked or unchecked the options that you want here, the final code will show up here. You can highlight it, do Control-C to copy it, and then you can Control-V to paste it on whatever website you would like to paste it. Now, normally you can take this, share this one right here, just the plain link, and if you have a WordPress website, you can just copy and paste this. WordPress these days will actually just display the video for you. You don't have to go through the process of embedding. But if you do want to have more of these personalized options, you will want to embed and copy the embed code like I showed before. Okay, so that should answer your question. If you have other questions, please ask them in the comments below, and I am happy to answer them for you. And we'll see you next time on Ninjaversity, powered by Web.Ninja.